Hello everybody, Math Magic here. Today I will solve a quite interesting question which I found on Telegram in some random mathematics channel. Well, the question is mind blowing and the process to solve the question is also mind blowing. The question reads, for positive integer 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 100, let f of n be equal to the summation of I equals to 1 to 100 for I times I minus n modulus. So what we have to do is compute f54, that is function of f54 minus function of 55. Let's get to work on the solution. Well, first of all, notice f54 minus f55. So what if I put I equals to 1, then I have 1 times 1 minus 54 for I equals to 1 minus 1 times 1 minus 55. So as you can see, there is a modulus, so this will always be positive. So I can take that as 54 minus 1 minus 55 minus 1, right? Now this can be written as 1 times 54 minus 1 minus 55 plus 1. So this is getting cut. I'm sorry, this is 55. Now I have 1 times minus 1, which gives me minus 1. So for I equals to 2, we have 2 times 54 minus 2, because that is the same, minus 2 times 55 minus 2, which is again the same case as 2 times minus 1, which is minus 2. So this will continue till I equals to 54. For I equals to 54, we have 54 times 54 minus 54 minus 54 times 55 minus 54. This gives us minus 54. So for I equals to, or let me say for I equals to 1 to 54, we have the summation as I equals to 1 to I equals to 54 minus I, right? So this can be written as I, or 54 times 54 plus 1, that is 55 by 2, and there is a negative sign over it. So this is equal to 54 times 55 by 2, right? Now what if we did for I equals to 55? So for I equals to 55, we have this part as 54 times 55 minus 54 minus of 55, or this is 55, sorry, 55 times 55 minus 55. Now here you see it is 55 minus 54 minus 55 plus 55. So this 55 will get cancelled, and now we have 55 minus 54 equals to plus 55. So now you can see here we are just getting multiplied by a 1 plus 1 with I, but in the previous cases still I equals to 54, we used to have ti equals to minus I, right? So for ti I greater than equal to 55 till I equals to 100, we have 100 I, or we can write ti equals to minus I for I is less than equal to 1 to 54, and ti equals to plus I for we have 55 less than equal to I less than equal to 100. So the actual value can be written as minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 dot till 54 plus 55 plus 56 dot till 100. Notice this can be written as, or let me write it for some time, G54, because it indicates this, or better minus of G54. Now this 55 to 100 can be written as 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 54 plus 55 plus 56 dot till 100 minus G of 54, because I just added G54, right? So the overall expression can be written as G100 minus 2 of G54, where G of n indicates sum of natural numbers till n, right? Now you see we have very less space. Well, let me move on to some other space. Alright. Now, in the previous part you saw that the above expression, that is f54 minus f55, is coming g100 minus 2 of g54. Now you see g100 is easy, 100 times 101 by 2, minus 2 of g54 is 54 times 55 by 2, and there is a 2, so 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. Here we have 15 to 101, so that is 5050, minus, now this is 54 times 55. Well, let me just do step by step. 5 4 is 20, 2 is in hand, and 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25. That's 47. Guess so, yes. 4 and 5 has a 25, so 2970, I guess, and this results in 7 8. This is 0, okay, and it's 2080. Wait just a minute. Should I better grab a calculator, or wait just a minute? I guess so, it is 28080 because I calculated in the calculator and it gave me the same result. So I guess this is the answer, but obviously wait for a few minutes. Obviously for you no need to wait, because I will just change the slide and I will confirm the answer by checking my previous result. Alright, stay tuned. Well, obviously I searched in the Telegram, and yes, this is the exact answer. So that is it for today. Thanks a lot for keeping till the end. There was a lot of distractions because I thought I was making mistakes and all. I was losing confidence in myself only. So sorry for that. Sorry for all the inconveniences caused. And I found this as the easiest way to solve. But however, there is no end of mathematics. There is no end for any sum. So if you feel there is a way which is easier than the easiest, then please do comment about it. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.